Today you're going to learn my mighty clay recipe. You're going to need a pot, 1 cup of baking soda, 1/4 cup of cornstarch, and 3/4 cups of water. Begin by measuring out your cornstarch and add that to your pot. And then add your cornstarch and add that to your pot. And finally add water to your pot and begin to stir just to make sure it doesn't get really lumpy. And as this begins to cook, this is a really fast recipe, under 5 minutes. Just make sure that you keep on stirring. This is going to get hot, so this is not something that your daughter can do on her own. Just make sure that you keep stirring it. You're going to know it's ready when it starts pulling away from the pot. Okay, so once that's done, you're ready to let it cool. And now your mighty girl can help you with this. If it's not too hot, she can help you knead it. And just keep kneading it to make it smooth. Then divide up your dough and just keep on kneading it. And what I love to do is to add a drop of lavender, just 1 drop to my dough so it smells nice. You can do this if your daughter is not allergic to any oils, or you can also add 1 drop of food coloring to color the dough. And then keep kneading it. Get your rolling pin and roll out your dough depending on whatever mighty art tool project. This clay dries really quick, between 3 to 5 days. Just make sure you turn it over, and any unused clay goes in the fridge. Make a few batches for your mighty girl because she's going to love it and use it a lot. Have fun!